अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 126 कहता है within the last few years the number of motor scooters making their way। ये एंगे का जो स्टॉक है ये हमने डबल किया है, किसके लिए? देयर के लिए। making their way along the roads of our country has been rapidly increasing, and we think there is very little doubt that this method of travel has a great future. First up, the motor scooter is in many cases replaced the bicycle of earlier days because it is swifter and smarter. It has many supporters, especially in the remainder in the remoter districts which are out of way of the railways where it represents a means of bringing people into the closer touch with the large centers. First up, because of the small size of motor scooter, which renders it easy to manage on narrow roads, many people are favorably displaced towards it. First up, अच्छा, disposed towards it. First up, this after can be अच्छा, this feature can be better understood if we picture a large vehicle seeking to pass a scooter on a narrow road. First up, those who object to motor scooters do so because in their opinion motor scooters are doing to the amount of traffic already on our roads, but the scooter is safer and less noisy than the motorcycle, and will we think increase its पॉपुलैरिटी। ये क्या है? ये पॉपुलैरिटी है। यहाँ पर ये नया यानी वर्ड है, ये यहाँ पर गलती से यानी किताब में प्रिंट हुआ है, ये हम बाद में यानी लेक्चर देंगे इस पर ये किस तरह आया है। पॉपुलैरिटी इन द फ्यूचर। फर्स्ट अप, फिर कहता है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 127। ये आते हैं, ये लास्ट में आते हैं, तो ये यहाँ से हम पढ़ते हैं। अच्छा, देखे ये एक्सरसाइज नंबर 27 है। कहता है माय डियर सर, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट्स मेसर्स कैंटर एंड Walters, who have requested us to represent their interest in the matter of the leasehold on the building at 129 Wharf Street. We wish to inform you that we have their permission to obtain a great order under the terms of which you will not be able to alter the front of the building. First up, we think there is no doubt that the terms of the lease have been altered, and in our opinion it will be to your interest to stop any further operation until a decision has been rendered by the court. Full stop. Very truly yours.